Good morning, guys. I want to make that quick video. Maybe I can help you about your car. I have a Kia Soul. This is my Kia Soul 2011. That car got a problem last week. The car was cranking, but it couldn't start. It was making that for 3 days, and then after research, I changed fuel pump, everything, but I will do the same thing. After research, it was they call that a crank sensor. Crank sensor, let me take it off. This is a crank sensor, and that crank sensor is supposed to help you to pump the gas. So when that crank sensor gets hot, it stop pump the gas. So the gas don't come to the motor. So that's making your car crank and it's not start. And now when it's like very cold, you leave your car for fuel, the car can start. But after a few time, you do the same thing. When it get hot, the crank sensor stop. So it don't send gas to your motor. That's what they call that a crank sensor. Yeah. So I bought a crank sensor from Amazon for $19. You can get that everywhere. $90, $96, something like that. And then just change. So if you have the same problem, before you change your pump, change your crank sensor first. It can help you to save money, because if you change your pump, it can cost you 500, maybe more. So change that crank sensor, you can get at least less than $100, and maybe to fix it $50, and you spend like $150, you fix your car, and you can fix by yourself. It's easy to put it back. So hopefully that video help you. If you have a Kia Soul 2011, mine is a manual transmission, but even the automatic transmission is the same thing. So if you have that problem, like your car cranky but it's not start, think about that. You can just rest, close the door, open the door, but that help you for few, because you give you like time for the crank sensor to stop get hot. But when it get hot, it will do the same thing. So just change that and you're good to go. Thank you for everybody. Hopefully that video will help you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.